Hey guys, welcome back to my channel AV Karma. My name is Anjali and hope you all are doing great and are perfectly fine. Okay, तो मैं पहले ही बता देती हूँ, ये एक मेकअप वीडियो होने वाली है जिसमें मैं एक फोटो क्रिएट करूँगी. So this is how that turned out. So if you are interested in watching that, then keep on watching this video. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please totally do it. Subscribe button will be given down below. So I think I have said everything. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So all set, or here is the ideas that I am going to be creating. So let's begin. First of all, I am going to prime my face with this. Okay, so I have primed my face and now we are going to apply foundation, or I think we will do our eyes first. So for eyes I don't have primer, so I am going to be using this. So this is way lighter from my skin tone, so I am going to be using this and hope this works. Same. Yeah, so my base is ready and now I am going to set it with a powder so that this don't crease. For that I am going to be using Maybelline New York Face Compact Powder. So yeah, now let's begin with the eye makeup. So for that I am going to be using this palette right here, and let's begin. So as you saw in the image, I am going to be using blue in the outer corner. So yeah, this shade. I think it's... oh, but before that I forgot to do my brows, so I am going to be doing that first. Okay, so my brows are done and now we will continue with our eye makeup. That's it. So blue is done and now I am going to be using red in the lower outer corner, I guess, here. So yeah, we will do that. For that we are going to be using this red right here. Yeah, so red is also kind of done. Now we are going to use yellow eyeshadow, but before that we are going to be cleaning the inner corner because yellow is a very light shade and it won't be visible. Yeah, I think that's it. And now we are going to be using the yellow shade, this one. What? This is not at all pigmented. Wait a minute. It is visible, but it is very light. So this is the most I can get out of the shade. So yeah, this is so far like thoda sa sparkle type ka hai. So now I am going to be using this shade. This is shimmery. This is the shimmer shade. Can you see? Oh, nice. I seriously don't know if my camera is capturing this or not. First of all, let me blend all of this. So it's done so far, and now I am going to be doing something with lower lash line. So firstly, I am going to be using this shade again, applying that at my lower waterline. I mean. So blue is also done, and now I am going to be using green, of course, as it is Christmas look, so of course green is supposed to be there, right? So for that I am going to be using the shade here. And also I can use this shade also, so I will mix both of them. Okay, so much color is going on right here, but it looks good. Yeah, I like it. Now I am going to be cleaning the outer side of this so that it looks nice, because right now it is looking kind of messy. My eyes are done and it's ready, good to go. And now I am going to be doing something with my face. Okay, so for the base I am going to be using this Fit Me foundation in the shade 310 Sun Base. Okay, so I am going to apply that. Okay, so with the help of a beauty blender I am going to blend this. This time I have to be careful because I don't want to ruin this at all. So my foundation is done, and what next? My face looks very weird right now, so I got to do something. I am going to be contouring with the help of this palette to bring back some color back to my face. Contour is also done. Of course, I am going to be sealing this off with some compact powder, and this was in shade, I don't know. No, I can't find it. So yeah, this is the powder and I am almost done. I don't want to bake it because I already feel kind of dry, so I am not going to do that. I am going to be doing the fairy light all over my eyes. Before that I am going to be applying some eyeliner, and hope I don't mess it up. So let me do that, and I am going to be doing that off camera because I know I am going to take a lot of time. By the way, I am using this eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. I will see you once I apply this eyeliner. So my eyeliner is also done. Now it's time to create some fairy light around my eyes. But before that, let me tell you, I have applied some blush, and if you can't see, then let me tell you that I've applied. Yeah. So now comes the main thing. I am going to be drawing a reference line on my face. Now I am going to be making it little dark with the help of this eyeliner. Okay, so the wire is done, and now I am going to be drawing the bulbs. Ooh, nice. It is kind of giving me a very happy vibes. I am enjoying creating this. It is like, I don't know why, it is making me happy. So yeah. Now moving on to the other color. So now I'm so sorry, बार बार कैमरे की पोजीशन चेंज हो जा रही होगी, but वो I don't think वो कोई issue होगा, तो yeah. Now I am going to be using one more happy color, and that is red. Red is also done, and now we will move to another color, and that is going to be yellow. Yellow is also done, and let's move to blue. Yeah, so blue is also done. So let me show you from up close. Yeah, so this is it, and this is how this looks. So let us seal this with some lipstick. And of course it is a Christmas and it is like bright, so I am going to be using this red bold lipstick. By the way, it smells amazing. Oh, wait a minute. I think something is left. My mascara is left. So we will do it quickly. So this is the final look. Okay, so this is the final look. Hope you have enjoyed and you liked me creating this. So if you did, then make sure to like this video, and also if you are new here and want to see more of my videos, then totally subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button will be given down below, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you come to know. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this look. So I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.